Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are again come with a very healthy recipe. Before starting this recipe, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start our healthy beetroot kebabs. 1 teaspoon of oil and add grated beetroot into it, green beans into it, and half chopped capsicum into it, and saute it well. Beetroots are a very great source of fiber, iron, potassium, and also vitamin C. Keep stirring it. Now add soaked yellow moong dal. I soaked it for around 4 to 5 hours and grind it after that in a thick paste. Now keep stirring it unless it's burnt. Mix it properly and shift it into the bowl and add some coriander into it, and again mix it properly. Now I'm adding half cup of soya chunks powder into it. I'm taking some soya chunks and grind it in a mixing jar. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. You can add according to your choice, according to your taste. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of red chili powder also. Now I'm adding 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, or you can say white chanas, and also chickpeas or white chanas are rich source of plant-based protein and a good source of fiber also. Keep your appetite under control. I made this shape of cutlets. You can make any shape of your cutlets. You can give tikki shape also. Now cook from all the sides properly to give a crispy texture. As you can see that there is very less oil is using. So our cutlets is now ready. Then serve it with green chutney. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.